Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying ownership and making a backup copy. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once done, open the PDF in a trusted editor or reader that supports permission inspection. Make sure to note the current security settings, printing, copying, form fills, so you understand what to change. If the file requests a permissions password, continue only with authorization. Otherwise, proceed to attempt permission removal using built-in features or export options in the application. You now attempt the actual removal. In your editor, choose Document Properties or Security and select No Security or Remove Restrictions. Enter the permissions password when asked. If the editor lacks that option, export to PDF/ or perform a print a PDF to create a new file without restrictions. This often strips copying/printing blocks. Make sure interactive form fields and bookmarks are preserved. If not, try a different tool or a dedicated PDF utility that supports permissions editing. Finish by opening the new PDF and checking document properties to confirm restrictions are gone. You should test printing, copying text, and form filling. Make sure content layout remained consistent. If features are missing, revert to your backup and try an alternate tool or export settings. If a permissions password blocks you, pause and obtain authorization. Guessing passwords is not acceptable. One troubleshooting tip: if print to PDF yields poor quality, try PDF/export or a different virtual printer driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.